On account of Bharat Nandyala's 70th birthday, today we are going to have a small questionnaire. Rapid fire Bharat.
Now I'm going to start the first question. Tata, what is your favorite instrument?
My favorite instrument is Veena.
Tata, when did you meet Nanama for the first time?
I met in my childhood days. We are family friends.
Tata, did you do any naughty things in your school like Duma Kottadam or maybe stealing anything?
No, not. But I was naughty. I did once only. I wrote on my hand and copied.
Oh my god, I can't believe that.
Whom do you love the most?
I love your mother the most.
మరి నేను అన్నా
You said love. That is different love. But my children, you are my definitely loving children. I love you both the most in the world, which I cannot express.
Maya, question for you. What's your favorite holiday destination would be?
My holiday destination is Ooty. Spending with my family.
Know that you have a lot of love for plantation, lot of love for greenery and so on. If in case you get an opportunity for your dream house, what do you think you will like to have it in it?
It's my very good question, Srinivas. It's my long time wish to have at least minimum 2 acres of land and have a small house there and with greenery around. I want to grow greenery around and like spending with my kith and kin and exclusively my children and grandchildren in that house at least on.
Hi, Daddy. You have lived long enough to imbibe so many things, so many positive things, so many attributes. How do you plan to pass it on to the next generations?
Tata, please don't tell about family and friends. You always say that. Please say the correct answer.
I forgot the question. Affections to all. Love and affection to all. And also, as and when the time permits, I want to convey my feelings, good things to my next generations.
Dear Sri Bharat, here is a small question for you. What is your favorite color and why?
I like white the more. It stands good for so many things. It tells so many things in life. So I like more white.
Tata, you have told that you love Gaga, Mama and Mummy. But what about us? Daddy, Sandhya, me, Samarth and Aradhya. Can you tell one sentence about each of us?
Yes, why not? Daddy, your daddy is next to my son. He is one of my son. Okay, I feel Sanjata is my another daughter. Okay, because Mama and Amma are my children. I said I love the most. Okay, and you three, yourself, Sami and Aradhya, the stars of my house. I love the most. I love the most. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Balloon.
Happy birthday to you.
Good evening everyone, welcome to the birthday talk show. Today we have Bharat Seshacharyu and Vijay Lakshmi with us. So Tata, I'm going to ask you a few questions. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white.
And what is your favorite flower?
Is sampangi. Use
So-
good word.
So Tata, what is your favorite pastime?
My best pastime is spending with family members, children, and friends.
And what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Malishwari.
And the last, what's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Manasuna Manasai.
Can you sing it?
Yes, why not? Manasuna Manasai Bratupuna Bratukai Tod Karundina Ade Bhagyamu Ade Sargamu. Good.
Tata,
Yes.
Tata, can you tell name of your friends? Tata, who's your best friend?
My best friend. My best friend is my wife.
What is your best day of your life?
Best
Day of your life.
Best day of my life. Spend the not one day, the days I spent with my parents are great.
One day, please. Best
One day.
day of all.
Best day. When both my parents performed my birthday in a grand way, that I remember, I feel very great day for me.
Tata, what is your favorite fruit most?
Fruit is mango. Oh. Look like you.
Okay, so thank you for watching our small talk show. Bye.
Thank you.
Answering all of our questions, and I hope that you have understood and learned a little more about Tata. This is our end of our talk show.
Thank you. You put me very good questions.
Tata means he means love, caring, and happiness.
Tata means love to me, and Tata bought me everything I want. Tata, I love you.
Tata means fun, excitement, and adventure.
హాయ్ డాడీ ఏం చెప్పాలి నీ గురించి you're just like modern day Bali Chakravarti. That's what I mean to say. A universal giver, universal lover, and universal supporter. Anyone approaches you with any sort of problem, you will try to help them as much as possible, both physically and morally. They need not be directly related to you. You can offer everything, whatever you have, and beyond that. It makes you more special. Such a universal man. no one can be as great human being as you. We are always proud to be your children. Thank you for everything.
మామగారు లైక్ అ ఫాదర్ ఫిగర్ అండి. ఈజ్ లైక్ చాలా మంచి ఆయన, గుడ్ టు హార్ట్, చక్కగా అందరితోనూ మంచిగా ఉండాలని ఉంటారు. ఆయన చూసి చాలా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ ఐ విష్ హిమ్ గుడ్ హెల్త్ అండ్ హ్యాపీనెస్.
Maya symbolizes big-hearted, affectionate, and a generous kind of a person.
Hi. To me, Dad means an epitome of love. He's an endless source of energy, and of all the people I've seen, he is one of the best guys who can bridge any distances apart. And I would love to say that, I probably have inherited a very minuscule percentage of what he does. And he's just a man of positive vibes. Wherever he goes, there's just positive energy around. And needless to say that whoever are around him, whoever know him for his boundless energy, passion in whatever he does, and abundance of love and affection personified. He's, in simple words, he's just an affection personified. If you have to really give a name to love and affection and courtesies and ethics and morals, I think that's you.
Husband Sri Bharat is principled, is a well-wisher, he likes all, he is a universal lover, he is an embodiment of knowledge, he is multi-talented. I appreciate his attitude towards all the people.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.